Our latest tech pick is the Disney board game I Found It, a hidden picture adventure. With beloved Disney and Pixar characters, this game has become a collector's item. And with a 4.7 star rating on Amazon, I Found It is truly a treasure. A 6-foot board that's easy to assemble with simple instructions to get you playing quickly. Select your favorite characters and set up your Mickey Spy tokens. Watch out! Spinning Maleficent's staff too many times will eliminate all players on the board. Spin a number, draw a card, and start the timer. Race to find as many objects as you can before time runs out. It goes fast. With gameplay lasting about 15 minutes, it's the perfect amount of time for plenty of laughs. Pick up your board available in the Amazon link below.